Hello traders, it's Stanleo here and I am super excited to be on your screens once again. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, StanleoFX on YouTube, kindly subscribe. And I have more videos there that will help your beginning stages as a trader. You need to go and like, share. Okay, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. It's StanleoFX on YouTube. I'll be bringing informations and then trade content that is going to change your trading life forever. This year is your year to make it on the financial market, and I am making sure that I give you the content that you need that will change your mindset, things that will help you and propel you to the next level. It's Stanleo here, and as usual, keep it simply simple.